So we've been running Business Blueprint now for 15 years, and we realized just running events locally is great, but people get a little bit bored after a while of doing the same thing kind of like over and over again. So we decided that we were going to take one of our conferences and do something special, something that was perhaps overseas, something where people had to get a passport in order to attend. Now, at the end of the day, we are not a travel company. We're a business education program, and we realized to organize something outside of Australia with hotels and tourism boards was not our core expertise. So we decided we needed to find a partner that we were going to work with to make these events happen and to bring them to life. And through a series of events, we met Roslyn, who has been amazing in helping us to organize pretty much now all of our international conferences and events, and does an amazing job. So we love working with Roz. She's responsive, works really hard, puts together an amazing package as well, negotiates really good rates, and just makes things easy for you as a business to do any type of conference outside of the country. I'd say, you know, it's almost impossible to try and do it on your own. So if you've got someone to help you, then it's just going to be so much more successful.